Without AI, we were able to solve a lot of the challenges, but we had blind spots. With AI, and especially with Agentic, we've been able to look at some of the blind spots we've had and figure out ways to solve things that were previously impossible to solve.
How long have you been at Adidas?
I've been at Adidas 9 years. I look after all end-to-end observability in the digital space. And what that means is everything from visitor to purchaser, basket to order, or product pricing, promotion to article delivered for consumer. We have our presence in about 75 different countries. So each of those countries require specific localizations. And because of the dynamic nature of the web, the individual components of the website need to be self-sufficient. Because of the geographic scope, we had different teams all using different tools. So we said, is there a tool we can use where we can have engineering teams have exactly the same understanding and perspective as operational teams and markets? And with Quantum, we were able to build a set of dashboards where we could give the markets a view that worked for them, with the ability to start at the macro level and drill right down to the micro. But also from an engineering perspective, by integrating Quantum with other tools, we were able to take that micro view and go right down to the session level view at code and the interaction between different code segments, and also go from that right back up to the same macro level view that the market had. So that to us has been a game changer.
So you've gotten your hands on Felix Agentic, Quantometrics agentic capability. You've been using that for a few months now, right?
I have indeed.
Has it been the primary benefit to you, is the ability to monitor some of those outside connections, or are there other things that you're seeing from it?
For us, we've done a few things with it. So I think the first and the biggest win for us was these let's call them blind spots, the things we couldn't see before. What we were able to do there was, using the agentic approach, we were able to have different agents that could understand the context of the data itself and understand the different facets of the process, the funnel, so on and so forth, to predict there is an outlier here that needs further investigation. In addition to that, again, using the agentic approach, we were able to give, using, say, responses from APIs and so on, a richer context to say, these are things that need to be acted on right now. And that was certainly one of the big wins, but we've had other wins that we didn't quite expect. So some of the, and it comes down to the agentic personas that we built, spotted things that we hadn't thought of. It's uncovering blind spots, but because of the rich context it has and the fact that it has all of the session level data underneath, it is able to, like a strong senior engineer with expertise in the area, call out things that require investigation outside of the pure context you have given it.
All right, thank you very much. Appreciate it. That was great.
Thank you.